Hi everyone, today I bring to you how to make Wrewre or Musk melon seed soup with a little twist. So if you want to know how I made this amazing soup, just watch this video to the very end as I take you through the process on how to make this delicious soup. So let's get started. And here I have my melon seeds known as Wrewre or nari, and I am going to remove all the foreign materials from it. Take your time and remove any foreign materials in the seeds. Once I'm done removing everything, I will then transfer it into water and then give it a proper wash. So here I washed it 2 times, but because I don't want the video to be long, I only showed one part. And the seeds are well washed, and next I am going to transfer it into my pan and then roast it for about 10 to 20 minutes on medium heat. So I will continue stirring it because I don't want it to burn. If you let it get burnt, then your soup will be very bitter. Keep on roasting it till you see it flying around or till you hear this sound, then it is ready, okay? I will then off the heat and allow it to cool down before I blend it. So I roasted it because I want to extract more milk from the seeds. So after blending, I will sieve it for at least 3 times. After sieving it for the first time, I will go ahead and blend it once more and then continue with the sieving. So the third time of sieving it, I will use a cheesecloth to sieve it for me to get a fine mixture. If you don't have a cheesecloth, you can just use your veil or duku and make sure it is very clean. And this is what we have from it. So in a pot, I will add my protein, add beef seasoning, add salt, and add my blended ingredients. Here I blended spring onions, garlic, ginger, and oregano. I will add a little bit of water because I want my protein to be a bit soft. So I will cover it and allow it to come to a boil for 10 minutes. After that, I will come and stir it because I want it to marinate very well. Next, I will then add 2 large onions, 4 tomatoes, and then add some peppers. Cover it and allow it to come to a boil for at least 7 minutes again. And after that, I will go in with my Wrewre mixture. Cover it halfway and allow it to come to a boil. Once it boils, I will remove all the ingredients and then blend it into a puree. After removing all the ingredients, I will then give it a stir once again and then add my blended ingredients into it. Rinse the blender with a little water and then add it back. Cover it halfway and allow it to cook for 30 minutes on medium heat. So whilst it is boiling, I will then add some fish powder, and here I didn't use the smooth one. Give it a stir once again. I will then add some scent leaves known as nunum. And here you can use any leaves of choice, but my best choice is nunum and shuwaka, also known as bitter leaf. So I added the 2 leaves, and then I will gently stir it because my pot is already full. So I will stir it gently for everything to mix very, very well. So here I will allow it to continue cooking. Once you see oil has started popping on top of the soup, just know your soup is ready. So at this point, just check for your seasoning and see if you are okay with the consistency. So if you want your soup to be thick, then you have to allow it to cook for another more minutes, okay? But with this consistency, I'm okay. So now my soup is ready. Just see how beautiful this soup looks. In Zongo, if you give birth, they especially do this soup for you because it helps to produce more milk, and then it will cure you. Oyemku kokurujin chiki. I don't know how to say that in English, so help me, okay? So it is very, very good, guys. Just try it and you will just love it. If you're still with me to this point, thank you so much for watching. I paired my soup with some emutu, kotuon shinkafa, and it was really delicious. And if you pair this soup with fufu or tuwon zafi without konkonte, the way it slaps, you just try it and you will know what I'm talking about. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Give this video a like for me, okay? And share this video for me so other people can also see my amazing recipes. And please don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop any video. And please be sure to follow me on all social media platforms at Wrewre's Kitchen, okay? Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.